Welcome to Possibilities Infinite, Episode 7. In the previous episodes, we saw challenges based on dealing with constraints, play and creativity, and reframing the problem. To solve these challenges, we used specific tools and techniques to generate ideas. In this and upcoming episodes, we will explore some of the techniques of idea generation in detail. Let's start today's episode with a game. Take a pen and a paper to play this game. Now, you can see some images on the screen. Match the images from the left column with those on the right that you think are best related. Now let us see the answers. What is the logic behind these pairs? It is clear that the images in the left column are of naturally occurring objects, while those in the right are man-made objects. But closer observation tells us that the sun tracking system of a solar panel is inspired by the young sunflower that follows the sun. Many of us may have experienced some frustration removing cockleburs from our clothes after returning from a hike. But George de Maistre, a Swiss engineer, wondered how the cocklebur attached themselves to the clothes. Using a microscope, he observed the hooks of the cocklebur engaging the loop in a pant's fabric, and thus started the design and development of what we popularly call Velcro. And maybe a coconut inspired man to make earthen pots to hold water. This technique of taking inspiration from nature to solve human design challenges sustainably is called biomimicry. Today, we will see how we can use biomimicry to strengthen our ideation, and here are 3 steps for that. Step 1. Observe the nature around you and see if you can find some inspiration. As you start looking for inspiration, you may think that there are so many things around us, and obvious ones are already invented. If you do think so, then you are on the right track, because that shows you are thinking. Likewise, if you get overwhelmed with the thought that there are so many things around us, that's okay too. In either case, move to step 2. Step 2 is organize. Here is an idea board template to help you organize your observations and thoughts. What attribute can we mimic? Shape, form, color, texture, structure, mechanism, or a property? Start writing your ideas and observations on the template. Let's see some examples. A chameleon changes its color. How about an idea of clothing that changes color based on the light falling on it? Or let's observe mushrooms. Some mushrooms have so many gills under their cap. If a dishwasher or a dish rack is designed like the gills, then it can fit more dishes than in a rectangular one. So if we start filling up the template, this is how it may look like. Now that you have started observing and organizing your thoughts, the 3rd step is to keep practicing. So step 3, practice. Any skill we want to be good at needs practice. So keep up the practice. Keep up the practice of writing your observations, and soon you will not just be thinking about new ideas, but will see those ideas come to reality. With this, we will see you in the next episode. Until then, stay inspired by nature, stay safe, and stay innovative. Thank you.